Hello and welcome to Assessment 2 Part 1B. Very similar to the other part. This time I'm showing you a different way to do the formula because there's a bit of confusion. And in the solutions, the formula is slightly different than the video I made before. So I'm just going to get straight into it and do it the way the solutions is. Okay, first of all, I have all my sales value here. This is all the sales that I budgeted for. And basically there's a few scenarios in which I have to now do the next year's budget based on certain criteria. So this is last year's budget, so it's always good to have last year's budget, and now we're going to, based on the information here, we are going to change some certain things. So the first thing I read is there's a price decrease. That means the price is going down across all products. So all these products from last year are going down. Okay, so what I can do is, to decrease something by 2% is saying, because 2% really is represented as a percentage, but if you take the percentage away, it's 0.82. So what I'm really doing is doing 1 minus 0.02. Oops, I'm going to do my equal sign. So that's a decrease. If it was an increase, it could be equals 1 plus 2%, 102. But in this case, we are decreasing, so we use the minus. So as you can see, it's the same as the last formula, but we're just taking it one of the steps. So I'm just putting it there for simplicity, just out of the way. So all product decrease. So I know what the formula is for. And then I go equals the value I need, which is sponsorship, times 0.8. And I want to keep that there. I want to make sure I always use 0.98 for every transaction. And I press enter. Now I can copy all these. Oops. So what I'm doing is I've done Control C and I've highlighted all and Control V, and that was my phone. Now I can do my sums there, and I can drag that across. I can do my sums there. I can drag that down. And I can highlight the Control C, there's a border around it, and highlight them all, Control V. So I'm just showing you a variety of different ways to copy and paste and doing sums. Yeah. Oops. So it has to be on the black cursor there. Voila. And the total is subtotal plus the subtotal. Copy that across. So we've done step 1, so I can highlight that. I'm happy with that. Next is we can conduct an advertising campaign for 2009 as well as a percentage, let's just say decrease, so expecting month increase of government grants of 12%. So an increase, like I said before, is always 1, equals government grants there, equals 1 plus 12%, which is 0.12. So that's how you know that's an increase. If it's higher than 1, where this is lower than 1, so that's a decrease. So government grants plus the increase, the 2% increase. So 2% decrease. Put that back. We also have an increase as well. So government grants. So I just times that by the 12. I go for it because I want to copy it. So hopefully my answers are looking good. Yep, we're looking good there. All yeses, oops. All yeses so far. So I'll keep going. So that one's done. Decrease convention income by 7%. So in convention income, There it is, 7%. So I always do the equals 1, take the percentage, which is 0.07. So convention income times F4. Okay, that one's done. And then next one, increased ticket sales, March to June. So ticket sales, so that one's right, March to June. So, oops, how much was it, sorry? 8%. So equals 1 minus 0.08. So times great, and then copy that across. So the happy campers. As well as a price increase, a new competitor has entered the market and advertising incidents to decline by 12% in March. In March, advertising is going to decrease by 12%. So that's that 1 minus 12, which is 0.12. So 88. And that's March as well. F4. Okay. So that's done. Okay. Accommodation, January by 250. And it's called other income. So it's other there. So January. Put these in brackets now. I need to put these in brackets so that I can plus just this value. Enter. Put these in brackets so I can plus enter. Put these in brackets again for March plus enter. So that's question 1 done. So hopefully, let's see if I've got the answers. How did I go? Got a couple of no's there. Ticket sales. No. Get a couple of no's there, and the totals will be out. And other. So I've got a few mistakes here, so I better try and see what's going on. Now the beautiful thing about making mistakes is we go to solutions. So I made a mistake there, so I've got to use my solutions, see what's going on there. F1 ticket sales 27,000. What do I have? That's times what I have, 27,000. And this is the beauty of having the solutions, because you can use them as notes. Okay, I have actually decreased it. Well done for picking that up. And increased ticket sales. So an increase is a plus. So I'm supposed to plus the 8%. So hopefully that's changed it all now. Oh, we have yeses everywhere. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so other seems to be upset. So we'll see what's wrong with other. So my solutions say, okay, that's saying a decrease. What have I got? Expected is decline, and what have I done? So let's see, other, I have increased it. Okay, great. So you can see how I've solved that problem by using the solutions, yeah? Minus. Great. So I go into my answers, and I've got all yeses. So you can see it's really powerful to use the solutions to show you where you're going wrong so you understand. So well done. So that's end of part 1, assessment 2. Hopefully that's cleared up things for you and made it a bit easier when it comes to putting the values on the side there. Just like I've done there. It might help you a bit more. Thank you very much, and good luck with that.